Hello all, welcome to part 38 of Cucumber BDD training series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate how to override the tags that are specified in the runner class of Cucumber projects using the Maven command line command. So let's get started. Till the previous sessions, okay, in order to specify the tags, we have specified them in the runner class, okay, and appropriate scenarios in the feature files which are okay relating to that particular tag specified in the runner class were running, right? That happened till now. Now I'll show you how to specify the tags from the command line, okay, using the Maven commands. From command line also we can specify the tags, okay. All those things I'm going to cover in this session in a detailed manner, guys. So this is the command we have to use in the for command line, okay. In the command prompt we have to type this command, guys, then it's going to work. So anyhow, I'm going to show practically, guys. Till then, just follow my session. So I have quickly switched to Eclipse IDE here. As you can see, we have this runner class. If I run this, guys, all the feature files will run. Okay, here login, all the scenarios in all the feature files will run. So what I will do is, I don't want to run all the scenarios in all the feature files. Rather, I want to run only the smoke tests. Okay, here you see in the login.feature, the first one is smoke. Second one is also smoke. I'll do one thing, guys. I'll remove smoke for scenarios intentionally, so that I don't want many scenarios to run. Only second one I am making it smoke, guys. That's okay, and remaining all are normal. Okay, the first one is normal. Second one is now smoke. Okay. Similarly, register.feature file, we have this one as smoke, and this second one also as smoke. That's okay. Out of 4, 2 are smoke. In search, out of 3, we have 1 as smoke. In the login, we have 1 as smoke. In the register, we have 2 as smoke. In the search, we have 1 as smoke. That is total 4 scenarios are there across the feature files, which are tagged with @smoke tag name. Okay. So if I want to only run that particular scenarios having that @smoke tag, so what I will do here is, here I'll add tags is equal to double quotes I'll provide, put a comma here, guys. Okay. So here @smoke you write. Okay. So now if you run this, runner class using JUnit or whatever it is, you will see that only the 4 scenarios from across these feature files which are tagged with @smoke will run. So the running has been completed. You can see this one has smoke. Whatever that has run has @smoke tag. Only the scenarios having @smoke have run. Okay, @smoke. So we can see this JUnit results also, and can see that, okay, under user login, only one scenario having the @smoke tag has run. And registration, registered feature file, 2 scenarios have the smoke tag, they got run, and search for a valid product has search.feature file has 1 scenario having the smoke tag. Okay. Now I'll show you how to override these tags that are specified in the runner class using the Maven command line. Okay. I'll specify one command. I'll write down some command in the Maven, okay, command line, and I'll show you. So before that, we'll do one thing. That is, first of all, in the previous session, I showed you how to run this Cucumber test with the help of Maven from the Eclipse IDE, right? Right click, run as Maven test we have said, and it will run this test runner which is having the test keyword, and the test runner will invoke these feature files having the smoke tags. Okay, and respective step definition files also will be invoked internally. Okay, that's what happened so far. Now what I want to do is, I'll go to the project location, guys. I want to do it everything from command line now. Okay, I don't even want to open the Eclipse IDE. Without Eclipse IDE open, I want to run the Cucumber test. With the help of Maven, guys, we can do that. Without Eclipse IDE, with the help of Maven, we can run the Cucumber test. Okay, and also we can override this tags also, okay, from the command line. I'll show you guys everything I'm going to show you in this session. So for that, I'll go to the location where this project is available. I'll select properties, guys. This is the location where the project is available. I'll go to the location. This is the location. Open the project folder, guys, where you will see this form.xml file. Okay, this is the location we have to run the Maven. Okay, so you can close Eclipse IDE, guys. There is no issue. You can just close Eclipse IDE. It's not required. And you can see that before closing in that runner class, tags is equal to smoke is mentioned. We are going to override the tag. That's anyhow. So for now, Wherever the pom.xml file is visible in this project, select that project path and type cmd, guys. When you type cmd, you'll get this command prompt. Okay, you'll get this command prompt where you will write mvn space test. Just simply write mvn test, guys, nothing much. Okay, mvn test. Press enter. You see, mvn is not recognized. That means Maven is not recognized. So just go back. I intentionally type this command, guys. Now if I say mvn hyphen version, you will not get the version also. You see, again mvn is not recognized. Why? The command prompt is not recognizing the Maven, because Maven is not installed in this machine. Okay, Maven is available by default in Eclipse IDE, guys. That's correct. But Maven is okay to run the test using Maven from the command line. You need to have Maven software installed in your machine the way the Java is installed in your machine and configured. Okay, same thing we have to do, guys. For that, I'll go to this browser, open the new tab, and search for download Maven, guys. That's it. Okay, simply I'll say download Maven, guys. Nothing much. And you will be provided this link, download Apache Maven. Click on that link, guys. You will scroll down. On this link, just scroll down, guys. Here you see binary zip archive will be there. This bin zip folder will be there. Click on that zip file. A zip file will be downloaded into your machine. So we have to extract the zip file, guys. Okay, once it is downloaded, we have to extract the zip file. So still it is downloading, guys. I'll pause the video and resume once it is downloaded so that I don't want to waste your time. As you can see, guys, zip file got downloaded. I'll just click on this option and say show in folder. It gets generally downloaded in the downloads folder, guys. This is the location where Maven software got downloaded. I'll extract this zip file, guys. I'll extract this zip file. Extract all. Click on extract. Okay. The zip file got extracted, guys. You see, we got this Apache Maven. Inside that, again, we have these bin folders and all. Wherever the folder in which we have the bin and all these things, right? You just go to that, copy that folder, guys, which has the bin folder inside. Okay. Copy this. Don't double copy this Apache Maven. Copy the only folder inside folder which has a bin. Okay. Don't copy this outer Apache Maven. Okay. Inner Apache Maven you have to copy, which directly has the. If you open that, you should get this bin. That folder you have to copy and come to the any location in your machine, guys. I generally prefer going to C drive and paste it. Okay. I just pasted it, guys. You see it's getting pasted. You see here we got Apache Maven. I'll open this folder, guys. I'll copy this path. I'll copy this path. This is a Maven home path. I'll click on the search and say edit system environment variables. I'll get this dialog. Okay. Once I do that, I'll click on and the advanced tab. I'll click on environment variables. And here I'll select new and say Maven underscore home. Okay. In capital letters with underscore I'll give and provide the path and click on OK. And select the path and click on edit. And again click on new and paste it, guys. I have to give the path till the bin folder, guys. Just say slash bin, guys. Okay, that's it. Okay, you have to give the home path. Under that you have to go inside the bin folder slash bin you mentioned. That's enough. Say okay, say okay. So this bin folder path we have given in the pre-existing path system variable in that environment variables. Okay, done. That's it, guys. So what now? What next you have to do now is again go to the project location, guys. Just go to the Eclipse IDE, that project location. Just let me see where exactly that is there in my machine. Okay, let me go to the project because I don't have Eclipse IDE open now. So I have to find that place where I have that project available. Okay, so this Cucumber BDD is a workspace. In that we created Tutorials Ninja project. And this is the project, guys. This is the project we are working on. So I have not opened Eclipse IDE, guys. Currently Eclipse IDE is closed. Here now, earlier when I selected this path and typed CMD, the command prompt will open at this location, guys. Tutorials Ninja project location. I don't have to type C drive, QFX and all those stuff. Automatically the command prompt will open from this folder location. So it's a kind of a shortcut, you can say, or tip where you can directly go to the folder, okay, in Windows. Now here we have the pom.xml file, guys. We have to see whether pom.xml file is visible. If it is visible, we can write on mvn test, guys. Mvn test will invoke the, okay, mvn test. You see from command line, we are running the test in Maven project, okay, running the Cucumber test in this project with the help of mvn test, guys. This will invoke the runner class, as you already know when the Eclipse IDE was open. when you run the test using Maven test, right click run as Maven test from Eclipse IDE, what happened? It was invoking the runner class. Runner class has invoked the feature files. Feature files have invoked the step definitions. That happened. And if you see, before I close the Eclipse IDE, okay, before I close the Eclipse IDE, here, if you go to this src test Java runner, if you see that, guys, in the runner class, if you observe, we have specified the tags is equal to smoke, guys. Okay, tags is equal to smoke is there in the project. Again, I'll go back to the place where we have the pom.xml file, and the command prompt is opened also at the where the pom.xml file is visible. I'll simply say mv and test. It will invoke the smoke test case. Only the smoke test will run, because in the runner class, mv and test will invoke Maven. Maven will invoke the runner class. Runner class will invoke the feature files. In the runner class, what we have mentioned, tags is equal to smoke, we have mentioned. Okay, you see only 4 scenarios have run. That is the 4 smoke scenarios. Okay, all the 4 smoke scenarios have run, guys. You can see at the red smoke. Okay, here also at the red smoke. Here also at the red smoke, at the red smoke. So I don't want smoke test to run. Rather, I want to run all the scenarios from the search file, search.feature file. So what is the tag name we have? At the rate search is the tag name. If you see here for the last one, at the rate search is a tag. Only the scenarios which I have at the rate search, I want to run. There are 3 scenarios having at the rate search tag in the search.feature file. So what I will do now is here, I'll run a different command this time. That command will override the tags in the runner class, specified in the runner class. The command will be a continuation, guys. MV and test will be saying -d cucumber. You have to type like this, okay? -d cucumber dot, okay, filter dot tags is equal to, in double quotes, you provide the tag. Anything, any tags that generally you provide in runner class, right? Same thing you can provide from the command line, guys. Okay, here I'll say search tag, okay? Search tag I'll provide and press enter. If you press enter here, this at the rate search will override the at the rate smoke in the runner class. Okay, and only the search related scenarios, search at the rate search specified tag scenarios in the Cucumber project will run. Okay, you see here only 3 tests will run having the at the rate search. Okay, it's not working out, or okay, it's continuing, guys. Okay, it started. Just wait. Here it is running actually. Okay, that's the old output. Now we are getting it. Latest output. You see what happened here? 4 are there. Do I have 4 here? Let's see what's happening. Looks like it's not overriding. At the red smoke is still coming, guys. At the red smoke is coming. Okay, it's not overriding, guys. Okay, at that smoke is still there, so it's not overriding. What we can do then? I'll do one thing, guys. This part is not working out, guys. Okay, this part is not working out. So I'll just close this once and try this again. CMD. MD and test -d cucumber dot filter dot tags is equal to, I'll say at the rate search, guys. Okay, at the rate search CARCH. Let's see what will happen this time. If it is still not working, then we have to go with another approach for that. Okay, tests. Which tests are running? Let's see. It's not take much time though. Again, 4 are coming means it's not working fine. Okay, only the tags which are specified in the only the tags that are specified in the runner class are running, but not from the command prompt. I'll do one thing. I'll go to src test Java and see if I remove this runner. If I remove this, tags is equal to from here. Is it working or not? From the command line, is it working or not? I will see. Okay. If may not be overriding, guys, but is it working? Whatever the tags we are giving from the command line are working or not, I'll check. Okay, I'll just close this and again open CMD. Here I'll say MBN test -d cucumber dot filter dot tags is equal to at the rate search. Run this. Let's see what will happen this time. Okay, how many tests are running? Let's see. Okay, looks like all the 14 tests are running. That means this command line is not working at all. Okay, this command line thing is not working at all. Let me check once. Okay, there is a small mistake that I have done, guys. Okay, You see here the D cucumber C should not be capital, guys. I just mentioned C as capital, guys. That's the reason it was not working. So let me do one thing. I'll go to the project again and I'll go to the src test Java and again put tags there, okay? Because I thought there is a problem with it's not overriding, but I have done the mistake where I instead of specifying lowercase c, I specified uppercase c, guys, okay? Because of which things are not working. Here again, I'll mention tags is equal to the runner class tags is already there. Okay, this is not the problem, guys. This is not the problem. Here I'll write at the rate. Earlier, what is there? At the rate, smoke is there. Okay. So smoke test should not run now because I'm from command line. We are giving a different option. Okay, different tag. That tag should override the tag in the runner class. That's what is expected. Ambient test. Here I'll say hyphen D. Here uppercase C I'm giving. That's the problem. You have to give lowercase. Cucumber dot filter dot tags is equal to at the rate. I'll give search and press enter. This time only 3 should run. If it is really overriding, only 3 should run. Instead of 4 smoke, only 3 search should run. Okay, let's see what will happen. Earlier I was giving capital C because of which the problem happened, but now I corrected it. You see only 3 has run. Okay, the problem is with the command. You have to give the command properly, guys. Even though I written here properly, but I just mentioned capital C, which was causing the problem. So if you have given the command properly, you can see that clearly see that only 3 scenarios have run. Only 3 scenarios have run. And all the scenarios will have the at the rate search tag, at the rate search, at the rate search, and at the rate search. Okay, tags are there. Only the scenarios having the at the rate search tag mentioned have run. That is total 3 scenarios. Okay, smoke is mentioned 4 scenarios were there, but at the rate search has only 3 scenarios. So hope guys you understood how to override the tags in the runner class using Maven. Though in the runner class you mentioned tags is equal to at the rate smoke, but from the command line in the Maven command, if you have given the tags is okay, if you given a proper command and tags is equal to at the rate search kind of thing, only the at the rate search, okay, were running because at the rate search tags were overriding the at the rate smoke tags mentioned in the runner class. So hope guys you understood this session on how to override the tags in the runner class using Maven command line command. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye.